Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to mute Discord soundboard. So let's get into the video. So open up Discord, and if you're not logged in, so log into your account, and once you're done with that, so go to your servers and then just open up any server. So for example, here I'm going to use this server, so I'll just use this one. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to scroll down and then go to this voice channel here. So click on the voice channel, go to general. So I'm going to join the voice channel.